Hi there. Are you looking for a real high quality stainless steel waterfall weir with a pump that includes everything, including the hose, clamps, and all the other attachments for well under $150 American? Well, stay tuned. I think you're going to love this product by POPOSOAP. Welcome back to Stubbs Aquatics. In this episode, we're going to be looking at an excellent product by POPOSOAP. If you're into having a real good quality stainless steel waterfall weir that includes the pump, the filtration, and the tubing, you're going to love this product. I can't tell you enough about it. In fact, I've had it been running for some time now, and I'm over the moon with it. It is just a high quality product for a great price point. Well, rather than me rambling on, let's take a look at the actual product. Let's first look at the weir itself. Like I mentioned, it's stainless steel. This is excellent quality. You're not going to have to worry about this falling apart. In fact, I don't think I could find a plastic waterfall weir in that same price range. In fact, I know I can't because I've actually looked. You do have to assemble this part. It's a matter of just putting some caulking around, which they actually supply. They give you 2 tubes of caulking. Can you believe that? So I'm going to go over the instructions with you on how to do that. It's quite simple. You're going to put sealant around here, around the top, and at the back. And I can tell you, the one tube worked perfectly. As I said, it's been running for quite some time. No leaks. Because, I would get in trouble at home if I had my indoor pond leaking. I would love to show you the outdoor, but as you can see, well, we're snowed in. So I'm glad I have the indoor pond, and I can tell you it's making a huge difference on the water clarity and the oxygen level because of the waterfall. And it's quiet. You're not going to believe how quiet it is. Wasn't that weird? Easy to put together. Next, we're going to look at this great 40-watt, 660 gallon per hour pump. I have already 2 of these pumps. They run the pond behind me. I have them hooked up to their filters, and they are amazing. I haven't had any problem whatsoever. Great thing about this is you can control the flow from low all the way up to high, which makes a big difference, especially in the pond for the filters. And I can tell you, it does make a difference for the waterfall weir. So we'll get into that in a little bit. They do give you a mesh bag that'll act as a filter or a protectant on this, but I'm going to go over an idea I have that's going to be simple. I can guarantee you already have something that'll work with that, and I think you're going to really like it. It does come with several attachments for the size of tubing. In fact, it comes with 4 because everyone wants different size. It gives you plenty of options. They all screw into the top, and you have your variety of tubing size. And I think that's really important, especially if you're using it for different applications. Great idea. Also comes with suction cups. I don't think I'm going to be using it in this application, but when you're using it in the filter box, you may want to use it, or if you're using it at the side of a tank or something else. If you decide to use this pump in the off season when your waterfall is not going, it does an excellent job if you want to drain your tank or change the water in your aquariums. It's just an excellent pump that I fully trust. And it's really easy to take apart and to clean it. In fact, I've done it several times. It's a matter of just popping this off and cleaning the mag drive. Again, I've had one of these running for well over 1.5 years and another one running for 1 year almost. And I've had no problems with them whatsoever. And I stand totally behind this 40-watt, 660 gallon per hour pump. One of the features I really like is the tubing that is supplied. Almost 10 feet of tubing. This is high quality tubing. It's not going to crack or break like you get for your pond use. This is high quality. It also comes with clamps to make sure that these are tight, the elbows, and what I really like is it's got washers for the gasket, so you can attach that to your weir. I mean, that's quality. And like I said, it's got 2 elbows. You can connect it right to your pump. The only thing I suggest is you make sure that your clamps are nice and tight before you first use it. Let's go over how to hook up the tubing to your actual waterfall weir. Just undo this, and you'll notice you've got washers on either side. Take your weir, insert, and simply screw it on. This is really truly simple. Just make sure you lock it on nice and tight so you don't have any leakage. You don't need any tools. Your hands will do that just fine. Just make sure it's nice and tight in here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to attach the tubing with this great elbow right to the pump. As simple as that. All done. Now the netting they provide you, what you do is put that around your pump. But I think my idea is to add some filter media just to catch all the fines before it goes into your pump, and it acts more of basically a pre-filter. Simple as that. Place your pump inside the bag, like so. And then tighten it up. Now that we have this in the bag, I'm just going to place that in the pond. The moment of truth. Well, that comes in pretty fast, and I've got it on the low setting right now. I like that. That looks pretty cool. You can see there's no leaks, not dripping anywhere. It's not going up and over the sides. But I have a couple ideas for it. One of the ideas I have to improve this, and it's going to be hard to improve on this because it's already a great product, is add a sponge like this. Now, that is super quiet. It's going to pick up all kinds of debris. I think it looks excellent. The water flow is great. And did I mention it's got an adjustable flow rate? I'm going to turn it up now. It's so easy to change the flow rate. Just a matter of moving the dial. You don't even have to take the pump out of the water. And now it's moved up to full. You got to like that. Another idea I had to actually make this even better was to take a garment bag, fill it full of bio balls, like so. And these are from POPOSOAP's actual filter. So we've got this full of bio balls. We're going to put this inside the weir. And because there's still lots of room, I'm going to take a half of this sponge, push it down, so the bio balls are at the bottom, and then the sponge is at the top. It's going to give you a lot of biological and mechanical filtration. Now you can put a rock on this or something else just to keep this so it looks a little more natural. What you can do is fill this with gravel and put plants in them, or in my case in the summertime I'm going to put veggies in them. I think this is going to work great. In fact, I know it's going to work great. I have that much confidence in it. This waterfall weir and pump works so quietly, I wanted to take the mic off so you can actually hear what the sound of the water hitting the pond sounds like. It's soothing, calming, and well, the fish, as you can see, are loving it. All that extra oxygen, it's doing a great job purifying the pond. I am going to have to eventually take this out and to the outside, simply because I have so many applications I can use for this. I can't tell you what a great product this is and what a great value it is. You can see here from the Amazon prices, that being Amazon.com, and of course from POPOSOAP's homepage. I really encourage everyone to go to POPOSOAP's homepage to see all the great products they have. They're constantly adding new products. Yeah, great company. They stand by it. Again, it's a 1-year warranty. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to hit the like button. It really does help. I just want to review all the great qualities that this setup has. They're countless. Let's start out with the 1-year warranty. The pump, it's a great pump. It's 660 gallons per hour, 40 watts, and it's adjustable flow rate. Now, it can be adapted to so many different size tubes or hosing. So I think that's phenomenal. Most pumps you have, you're limited to one size, and that's it. This, you've got 4 sizes to choose from. Let's get to the tubing itself. That tubing is like high quality tubing. It's like $1.50 to $2 a foot here to buy it, and they're giving you almost 10 feet of it. And the weir, again, it's stainless steel, high quality, not going to rust, not going to break. It's going to hold up to elements. It's just a great product. You can't lose with that. And it also comes with all the elbows, clamps. It even comes with a silicone. And it comes with a filter bag as well. You know, how can you go wrong with this product, especially at this price point? And I'm telling you, there's so many things with POPOSOAP that they offer. So much solar products. You know, POPOSOAP has just so many great products for your backyard and apparently indoors as well that you're just going to love. From bird baths, fountains, waterfalls, the pumps, solar lighting, and most of the products themselves are solar, which are great for the environment. Well, thanks again for watching. I want to thank POPOSOAP for giving me the opportunity to showcase this great product. If you have any questions, they have a 1-800 number. They can be found on social media. I'll leave you all the links below. Make sure you check them out. And if you have any other questions, don't hesitate in asking me. I'll tell you the truth. And like I said, I highly recommend this. Thanks again. See you real soon. Bye for now.